Experience the peace and tranquility of Spokane, Washington, a place of scenic beauty. But when storms come, they can disrupt your well-being. Be prepared for water damage challenges. When it rains in Spokane, it pours. Drip Dry Water Damage Restoration is your trusted ally. Call 509-408-3197 for immediate emergency water damage repair assistance. Specializing in flood restoration and water damage mitigation, we guarantee a safe and healthy restoration process. Our Drip Dry Water Damage Repair team, equipped with state-of-the-art technology, ensures a swift and efficient process to restore your property to its former glory. With a focus on water extraction and mold remediation, we prioritize your safety and well-being. Trust Drip Dry to be your partner in turning despair into relief. Call 509-408-3197 now for immediate and effective assistance. Once again, call 509-408-3197 and let us bring back the tranquility to your life.